Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make yummy soup at home easy guide. Start by choosing a base, stock, broth, or water, and gather vegetables and proteins. Sauté aromatics, add liquids, simmer slowly, and season to taste, finishing with fresh herbs or cream if you like. Taste as you go and adjust salt. Pick a clear broth, rich stock, or creamy base depending on your goal. Roasted bones make a deep stock, while vegetable stock keeps soups lighter and vegan. Avoid oversalting early. Reduce and concentrate flavors by simmering slowly. Use a 1:3 ratio of solids to liquid for hearty soups and reserve some liquid for thinning. Taste regularly and adjust seasoning during cooking to build layers of flavor. Keep scrap bag for quick stock. Quick recommendation: grab the Oala water bottle for reliable hydration while you cook or test your soup. If you like this video, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more recipes and tips. Check the description for the link and other deals on kitchen gear and accessories. On another note, the insulated design keeps drinks cold for hours, which is perfect when you simmer a pot all afternoon. Now let's get back to the video. Always start with aromatic vegetables like onion, carrot, and celery for a classic flavor foundation. Toast spices briefly to unlock oils, then add them early or finish with whole spices for complexity. Acid brightens soups near the end using vinegar, lemon juice, or a splash of wine. Balance with fat and umami from butter, cream, soy sauce, miso, or grated cheese for depth. Finish with fresh herbs or a drizzle of oil to lift the final bowl.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.